Ever get stuck in that coding rabbit hole, endlessly debugging, staring at the screen until your eyes go blurry, just wishing there was a less, well, tedious way to build amazing software.
Yeah, I think every developer has those moments.
Right. Those times when you wish you could just hand off the repetitive stuff and dive headfirst into the really creative problem solving that drew us to this field in the first place.
Absolutely.
So good news, everyone. Today's deep dive explores just that, how AI might be the efficiency boost we've all been dreaming of.
Oh, this is going to be good.
We're taking a close look at Eingefichter text, a really insightful piece. What grabbed me right away was how it breaks down AI's potential to streamline development workflows.
And it's something people have wanted for a long time, right?
Yeah.
Like this desire for more efficient coding, it's not new.
You're so right. This isn't some fad. And it's more than just speed, although faster is always nice.
For sure.
Eingefichter text really digs into how AI can actually shoulder the burden of those repetitive tasks that eat up so much developer time. Imagine your own AI assistant catching those little errors before they become major headaches.
It's like having an extra set of eyes, constantly scanning for typos or syntax issues. That in itself is huge.
Absolutely. And think about it. Optimizing code, generating documentation, all happening in the background while you focus on the big picture, the elegant solutions. That's powerful.
It's about reclaiming that mental space, right? Because, let's face it, developers are under immense pressure to deliver. Automating even a portion of these tedious tasks, that opens up a world of possibilities for actual innovation and creative problem solving.
Totally. And the text even highlights how AI's role goes way beyond just catching those basic bugs. It gets really interesting when you think about AI analyzing your code and not just fixing it, but suggesting better ways to do things.
Right, like more elegant, more efficient solutions, ones that actually align with best practices.
Exactly. It's like having a senior dev constantly looking over your shoulder, but without the awkward tension.
Huh, I can see it now. Yeah, there's a slightly more efficient way to write that function. But seriously, this kind of feedback loop, powered by AI, that could be incredibly valuable, especially for developers just starting out. Think of the learning potential there.
It's like having a built-in mentor constantly pushing you towards becoming a better coder. Really exciting stuff. But hold on to your hats, folks, because Eingefichter text takes us even deeper. It talks about AI as this data detective.
Okay, now you've got my attention.
Right. It can sift through mountains of data, think past projects, bug reports, you name it, and uncover insights about your workflows that we humans might completely miss.
And that's where things get really interesting. This whole concept of data-driven development. It hinges on this ability to see the bigger picture, the patterns in the chaos. And AI can do that in a way that humans just can't.
It's mind-blowing when you think about it. It can help you predict potential problems before they even arise, anticipate roadblocks.
Absolutely. And imagine the impact on resource allocation, too. No more guesswork. You're using data to inform your decisions, becoming so much more efficient in the process.
It really does make you think, though. If AI is poised to take on more of these tasks, what skills are we going to need as developers in the future?
That's the million-dollar question.
Yeah.
Right. And I think it's something every developer is grappling with right now. But here's the thing. The source text really emphasizes this idea that AI isn't about replacing developers, it's about augmenting them.
It's a partnership, then.
Exactly. We're talking about a future where human ingenuity is enhanced by the power of AI. So yes, we'll need to adapt, learn new skills, become comfortable working alongside these incredibly powerful tools. But that's always been the name of the game in tech, right?
Always evolving. That's the life we signed up for. And that's what makes this so exciting. Eingefichter text has given us a lot to chew on. We've seen how AI can make development faster, smarter, more efficient. But it leaves us with this really intriguing question. As this relationship between developers and AI continues to evolve, what will the future of software development look like?
What a great question to ponder.
And ponder it we shall. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive. Until next time, happy coding, everyone.